You can also use your social media accounts to log into the platform, but these must be connected ahead of time. If you try to log in using a social media account without first linking them, you'll get an error message. You must log in using your username and password first. Once you've logged in, you can then go to your profile from the button in the top right hand corner. Then click on the link to LinkedIn, a link to Facebook, link to Google, a link to Twitter buttons. Once you've linked them, you can then log in using these accounts. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure you check out the rest of our videos.